I'm installing this garage door from my house into this little metal building. These ceilings are about 15 feet up, and so I needed a way to support the garage door, and I couldn't find a cheap way to do it. The standard punched angle is, for an 8-foot section, is about 50 bucks. 3/4 EMT. These are about $9 a piece. A hammer and a block of wood, and you just flatten this end. I've done this before to support chimneys up on a roof, like a wood burning stove, where the chimney pipe comes through, and it worked great. And I was thinking, well, it should work here, and it does. It does really well, actually. I wasn't certain if it'd be super sturdy, but geometry, it's great. If you have tall ceilings and you don't want to spend 200 bucks on the angle, just get yourself some EMT. I already had this angle because, again, I'm pulling this off of my house and sticking it in here. So that was already there, so I just attached directly to it. Alright, that's it for this video. Just wanted to throw that out there in case you ever need some galvanized support legs for something.